How to fix ERR network access denied error. Method 1. Clear Google Chrome browsing data and cache. Launch Chrome and click the ellipsis at the top right corner. Select More Tools and click Clear Browsing Data. Select Advanced. Then, open the Time Range drop-down menu and select All Time. Tick the checkboxes next to Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Click Clear Data. Method 2. Disable third-party browser extensions. Launch Chrome and click the ellipsis at the top right corner. Select More Tools and click Extensions. Toggle the slider next to the extension to disable it. Method 3. Disable Proxy Server. Right-click the Windows Start menu button and click Network Connections. In the left pane, select Proxy. Click Edit next to the Use Proxy Server option. Toggle the slider to disable the proxy server and click Save. Method 4. Reset Google Chrome to default settings. Launch Chrome and click the ellipsis at the top right corner. Click Settings. In the left pane, click Advanced and click Reset and Cleanup. Click Reset Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. Method 5. Set Internet options to default. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in netcpl.cpl and click OK. In the resulting Internet Properties window, select the Advanced tab. Click Restore Advanced Settings. Click Apply and click OK. Method 6. Restore Windows Defender Firewall settings to default. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in firewall.cpl and click OK to open Windows Defender Firewall settings. In the left pane, click Restore Defaults. In the next window, click Restore Defaults. Click Yes to confirm the action. Click Advanced Settings in the left pane. In the resulting Windows Defender Firewall window, click Restore Default Policy in the right pane. Click Yes to confirm the action. Click OK. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.